Hey everyone! If you're a coffee lover looking to make amazing drinks right at home, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 3 milk frothers that will take your lattes, cappuccinos, and other hot drinks to the next level. We're going through them together, from the most budget-friendly to the most feature-packed. Let's get into it. First up, the Circle Joy rechargeable milk frother. This frother packs a high-speed motor and a double spring whisk, letting you whip up thick, creamy foam in just 20 seconds. The USB-C rechargeable design makes it super convenient to use anywhere you want. Perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, or even hot chocolate, it's lightweight and totally portable thanks to its storage tube. Next, let's talk about the Zulay Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand. Running on Duracell batteries, this thing whips up rich, creamy foam in no time. Whether you're making matcha, a cappuccino, or even smoothies, it works great with any type of milk. The premium build quality means it's built to last, and cleanup is a breeze. Just dip the whisk in hot water and turn it on. Finally, for anyone looking for a versatile all-in-one option, check out the SIMPLETASTE milk frother. This 4-in-1 model lets you choose between dense hot foam, airy hot foam, cold foam, or just warming up milk. With a 240 milliliters capacity, it's ideal for making drinks for the whole family. The easy clean design and auto shut-off make it both safe and dead simple to use. And that's our milk frother lineup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more coffee tips and comparisons. See you next time.